Hi guys, welcome back. Today we've got another interesting and useful free plugins for music production. This plugin is called Check and it is by Kern. It helps you know when the sample you're working with is in phase or out of phase. Check this out. Alright, so what you're seeing right now is a visual explanation of what is going on with the material you're working on. Over here you can see a fraction of this audio came down around this red section, and you can see a whole lot of the sample is on the green section and some portion fall under this amber section. Now what this simply means is whatever that goes towards this red section is out of phase. Whatever that is on the green section is in phase. Now when it is hovering around this amber section, it's actually a warning telling you that signal is about to go out of phase. Now when you come to this section, you will see these two features, the mono and the side, which helps you to sum the element you're working on into mono or to listen to the side information. Let's check that out. Alright, to the features right in the center here, you see the speed. This simply means to determine how fast this visualization reacts to the material you're working on. Followed by the focus. This particular feature helps to zoom into low, full, or high frequency ranges, helping you to isolate your bass to check sub-mono compatibility or focus on the stereo highs. Next is the bass feature. This controls how much the score emphasizes low frequencies at 100%. Sub-bass problems dominate the score at 0% and all frequencies count equally. And that is for the zoom feature, which you can see what it does to zoom in and zoom out. And over here you will see the score count currently at 70%, indicating that it passes the mono test, and as you can see it labeled it mono safe. So which means this particular guitar loop, if you play it on device that has a single speaker, it will translate well. If you play it on mobile phone or Bluetooth speaker, it will translate well. So you can now see where this plugin comes in handy, because with this you can see how the sample or the track you're working on translates on all devices, especially for single speaker devices like Bluetooth, your mobile phone, and things like that. And right above here you will see A/B test and enable and disable button, and also you can see it shows you how much CPU this plugin is using. But don't take it for what I'm saying. I'll be leaving the link to this plugin in the description. Try it out and let us know what you think, your findings about this plugin. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like, share with your producers friends, subscribe if you haven't, and most importantly turn on your bell notification so that when next I come across useful plugins like this that are available for free, when I post it you will get notified. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.